Hey, hi everyone. By the way, dika na muramenya ati ndiraheanire offer muthenya wa ira ya 25% thina wa broti gederedia hari ya Kamakis. Shuma million dinya no ndiraheire atumia eri ni kiheo kia Mother's Day ndiramahe 25%. Uguo ni kuga ati hari kia kimwehereirio milioni hua ugukorwo kigura shiringi milioni 3. You get me? Whether uragura kahora kana cash, iyo deal imejipa sawa sawa. Dina offer girathie na mbere ya kuria mwena wa Konza. I don't know whether you've heard about it. Goreto geheana farothi offer kuma 1st of May ginya 15th of May. Ndacũthĩrĩrio muthi gwatigara thikũ 3 nigetha offer wethire. Are you there? Ni ukwenda kwigwatira offer kuria Konza ndirendia iria ndirakwenderia na mbeca nini muno makiria 495,000 na riu kukuhe offer ndirakuhe ya farothi offer ndirakuhagiriria shiringi 20,000 koguo we okariha 475 na ke farothi agakurihira shiringi 20,000 kuria kwa Hekalu Company Limited thina wa project ile retwa na Kala Gardens. Are you still interested? Itana ni na offer no irathira mweri 15 na no nyende wigire ku broti ni 50 by 100 cash radio 495 installment 595 with a deposit of 100,000. Ogone kuga wana waigerera deposit uraigerera ngiri itega kuongerera ngiri 20 ikamitukiwananirie na nikwetukira 0798008008 tondu ma erorete guthira na ndingitikira kuhetuke sawa sawa. See you there.